My mornings just got a whole lot better since I finally decided to invest in the Nespresso VertuoPlus by DeLonghi, I think is how you say it, my go-to for barista quality coffee at home. With just the touch of a button, I can enjoy freshly brewed coffee or authentic espresso every single day thanks to Nespresso's innovative centrifusion technology. Whether you prefer a bold morning brew, a smooth espresso, or an iced coffee, this versatile machine offers 4 different cup sizes to suit any craving. And they also included an Aeroccino 3 milk frother, so I can create rich, velvety froth on top of my lattes and cappuccinos in seconds. Nespresso's premium capsules are expertly crafted to deliver the perfect flavor and aroma in every single cup, making every sip a luxurious experience for me. If you're ready to elevate your coffee routine with the Nespresso VertuoPlus, this will be the most delicious, convenient, and crafted coffee maker you've ever had.